Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Miss Larkin here. Congratulations, you've made it through your first day of remote learning. I'm so proud of for all of you guys. You guys did a great job. I just wanted to go over a few things for some of you who are having some trouble, whether it be logging in or posting your assignments in the right places. So let's just take a review. So as you see, I'm logged into classdojo.com on my browser, and I'm going to go down to the student link. Now that I'm redirected to enter my class code, right here in this blue triangle. Our class code for today was HDJOMY. Now that I've logged into my own class, I'm going to go down and find my name. For this purpose, I have created testing as a student. Now that I am in my profile, now this is my student profile, I get to see my home page. As you can tell right up at the top, there's the to-do section. So I've labeled them period 1 word study. If I click on period 1 word study, I'm going to see the start button, and you'll see it goes down period 2, and I can view all of my assignments. There's even something from Miss Shapiro for music, and Miss Pinello posted art. But let's go back to our home page. If I continue to scroll down, I'll see in my stories. Your stories are going to have all the links you need for your assignments. Now, I've posted, if you were unable to pick up your books, this link will give you your math workbook. If I click and open it, mine's not working right now. If I click and open it, it's going to take us to our math workbook, which is right here, and you can scroll through the different chapters. So if we're on chapter 11, I'm going to scroll to chapter 11, and we can explore the entire chapter. There's also lessons from Miss Pinello and Miss Shapiro. Down here, you'll see that I've posted their lessons as well. So let's take a look at our social studies lesson. You have to watch the lesson below, which is from Miss Wang, and then you are going to answer the questions. And these questions you'll see are in the portfolio section of your page. And you'll see here are the questions right on the side, and you can type right into it. You can also check out different assignments. So period 1 word study, Mr. Roberson had posted. You are going to choose a character trait from the Quizlet list to describe yourself. You are not writing the words 5 times each. Be sure to pay attention to the assignment. Also, math. Now, math is a little bit different because you are going to complete the 2 workbook pages. You have the option to either type in your answers or you can send me a picture. A picture might actually be easier. Then I can review and give you feedback. Be sure to check the comments for how you are doing. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask. Now you've noticed I'm back on the home page and I'm scrolling down. Miss Monty had sent us a message too. These are some of your assignments for PE. And you can see Miss Lee and both Miss Lee and Miss Minuti are on here with us. So don't forget to say good morning to them. Now here's your reading and writing, another message from Miss Pinello, and math. Now I know 509 that you don't have your packets, but I'm working on getting you those worksheets. So at least you can see them blank in your own screen. but be sure to follow along with me as I do it in the lesson. I'm also going to review our morning message. Be sure to read it every single day. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm always here to help, and you can check it out in my stories. You can either write back to me or you can send me a message from the parent app. I hope this helps. Bye, guys. I miss you.